welcome back to my channel. I have Xiaxue here and I'm gonna be transforming her to look like me.
Yay!
So Wendy has no makeup on right now. What? You don't pretend lah. You still look fine. The same, I guess.
The same?
Why?
It's only my makeup skills.
Okay, I'm gonna do the makeup like exactly the same as the one that I have on today, so that you guys can see a comparison. Anyway, Wendy also transformed me on her channel, so you can go over there to watch it as well.
Like a slut.
And then once you watch that, right, let us know who did better. So I have Tarte base tape. Okay, so I have some questions for Wendy today. What are our first impressions of each other?
The first time I met Mong was at some event, some dinner.
Yeah, some restaurant.
And I didn't remember meeting her at all.
Terrible! Because she thought that I was a staff at the...
No, I didn't.
You definitely did. The evidence is myself and of course everybody that was there at
You
the
mean I was
at the
like,
dinner.
hi, are you working with nothing like that?
No, you...
Then?
Because I was... Okay, it was a dinner tasting.
Wait, your base tape is like didn't cover 50% of my face.
It's fine.
Okay, fine.
I'm using this really expensive Lancome cushion. It's from the Absolue range. It's gold, yeah.
It's very expensive.
It's super
I also
expensive.
have been spamming it. How much
It's
is
very
it?
expensive. I think it's like $200.
What? No wonder it's quite good.
Anyway, first impression, she didn't remember me. So sad.
I think you were much uglier back then. I suspect you did plastic surgery.
Which part?
No lah, she didn't lah.
Yeah lah, obviously.
Too humpty, please.
I was very scared of her. I was very scared that she would write bad things about me on her blog. Also because I had I guess like a misunderstanding or like preconceived impression of her that like she gets very easily offended. You know, I was so scared that I texted my dad before the dinner.
Send protection.
I was like, you know, Xiaxue is coming for the dinner. Then my dad say, it's okay, just be yourself and be careful of what you say. This is the power you have, you know, over people. Look up.
What are you doing? I don't have the eye circles.
You have.
No?
What is one thing that you hate most about each other? For me, it's obviously her punctuality. It's non-existent. It's very, 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 very jialat. It's damn jialat. I don't understand. Like, you know that you have a problem, then why can't you just...
I just tell you one line, then you understand already.
Okay, look up.
Better late than ugly.
No,
That's why.
I'm always punctual and still not ugly.
Because you are crazy.
Okay, yeah, what's one thing you hate about me? Don't go and say all the lame stuff like I'm too skinny or whatever. Seriously, she always like to say this kind of thing.
She's too skinny.
No, I'm not too skinny.
Okay, one thing I don't like about Mong is her insistence that every single human being is good in the world. She's just like, refuse to believe that people are evil, and it's damn annoying. What? Just believe it, it's true. There are some people that have absolutely no good in there and they are just shitty, nasty people. And most people who are nice are just nice on default because they have something to gain out of it. So I have a lot more respect for people who are just outrightly mean because at least you know they're presenting the true self. It is so easy to be nice.
Who is it?
It's difficult to be mean. Sometimes I'm just telling her like, you know, this person is like did this and that. Then she's just like, maybe it's because this and that.
But I just feel like people do things for a reason.
Yeah,
so,
selfish reasons. Most people are very selfish and horrible.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm gonna contour your face using Pera's V shading. So,
Pera.
do you know this brand?
The next kid is called Pera. The next kid is called Larry Lara.
This woman is 35 years old with a kid.
Next one, Jerry Jera.
Stop it! Oh my god. Should Shaq marry Jess, me, and Sophie? Look at her face.
I'll marry Mong because he's the richest.
What the heck?
It's very difficult to choose between food and money. Guess I'll shag her. I've never had seen her giant butt before. I'd like to see it.
How you will shag Jess ah?
But I think maybe after shagging her, she might cook for me.
Okay, to be fair, I'll put myself in that situation also because I'm a good host. I would shoot you. Then my dad say, it's okay, just be yourself and be careful of what you say.
Be careful of what you say.
Okay, I changed my mind. I'll shoot Mong.
No, cannot.
What do you mean? You shoot me.
Okay, I need to. Why? Just got to show you. Okay, now I'm gonna contour her nose. Actually, her nose don't need much contouring.
You, I need contouring. Give it to me.
I would shag Sophie because she's got a nice body and she's half Angmo. Yeah, probably marry Jess. Okay, maybe I'll marry you. Okay, I'm kind of like torn in between the two because I don't really care about people who can cook because I guess I can cook myself. So
I do not have PMS.
you don't?
Never.
But you're perpetually angry and pissy.
Don't get emotional and sad and needy and clingy. I'm happy with you working all day long ignoring me as long as you give me your Netflix password.
And not my bank account password?
Some of that would be great too.
Okay, drawing her brows with precisely my brow pencil from Benefit. So my brows are very straight and thicker than hers, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. If you and Jess were to get into a physical fight, who will win?
Of course, Jess lah. What the hell? What question is this?
If you and I get into a physical fight, who do you think will win?
Of course, you lah. What the hell?
Why?
Firstly, I have a lot of liability on me because I have a fake nose. Anyone punches it, I'm just dead, right? So you know the weakest spot to attack. And then secondly, I am like very short and like just like weak because I don't exercise at all. And Mong has like these giant muscles on her.
I
And
don't.
she's like, wow, I tell you.
So your best like defense weapon is your mouth lah.
Yeah, but I guess I can blog about you after that.
How about what do you think of me learning Korean?
Just another Hermione Granger thing for you to do, which is very expected. By this time next year, she probably mastered another 3 languages.
No,
Then
leh.
when you go to hawker center order food, you can be bachami. Everything sounds like an Italian accent.
If you just do it, yeah.
Carbonara.
It's true.
So, Mongabong.
Tell us one useless talent you have. Braiding hair.
How's that useless? That's super mother useful eh. If I ever go to jail,
Yep.
I'll be like the head hairdresser there.
Me, I think I can. Okay, obviously this talent is damn useless. You know the flower tongue thing?
It's very useless indeed.
So done! Does she look like me now? Etude House Rudolph collection eyeshadow palette. Super cute and has like very beautiful Christmassy colors. So today I'm gonna do that the same eyeshadow look on her. Mauvey pink color. Close your eyes. And her eyes are a lot more like this way. So I need to make it like rounder and draw the eyeliner downwards a little bit more.
Shoot Shaq Mary, Nathan Hartono, Banking, and Singter.
Shoot Nathan Hartono.
Why?
I'm sorry.
It's the air of Tonglok.
No, because the three of them are very eligible. It's very hard for me to choose lah. Marry Sinta because he seems like a really nice guy. Yeah, he seems like a very nice guy. Okay, I don't really know the three of them
So Banking don't
personally.
look nice lah.
I think Sinta is more like, because I watch him on videos a lot more, so I feel like I can see his personality more. So I would marry Sinta then Shaq Banking. Yeah, that's a hard one. How about you? Same three guys.
I'll marry Nathan. A lot of food, good food that I can eat for a long time. And also he's very funny. I think he's like, yeah, his sense of humor is very funny.
I will go for banking. Just
To
so,
shag him out.
just so that people won't say that I'm pedophile.
Then so you shoot Sinta.
Unfortunately.
Oh no!
Yeah, it's very sad.
If you can relive your life again, like in your younger days, and you can choose to date anyone, who would it be?
Why must it be my younger life? Why cannot date anyone now? Chris Hemsworth.
Wow. Why?
Because he's obviously his sperm very fertile, then he can like, he already have 3 kids. So I hope that within the short period of time when we're dating, I'll get pregnant. Well, I had such a hard time, because I was looking at a photo of him and a quokka. I cannot decide who is cuter eh.
Oh no!
I thought for a very long time, him or the quokka.
But
Quokka
this
is
time-
damn fucking cute lah.
It's true lah.
Yeah, but Chris Hemsworth is so cute. He's my favourite Avenger. So who's your choice? Some Korean guy?
I guess I like Lee Min Ho, but I also like Ji Chang Wook. Do you know who they are?
That second one sounds like a food dish. Are you trying to prank me?
What the?
I like bibimbap.
Ji
And-
Chang Wook. He's very, very, very cute. He's very, very, very cute.
You were not influencer, what will you be?
I would just be working in a bank, I guess. Yeah. Because that's what I studied, what? You asked me one eh. She's
I
very
did not
sour.
ask you. You
She's
are the
very,
one
very
who asked
sour.
me. And I did not shoot you. You shot me.
I say I was choosing between you or Jess to shoot lah.
You still chose me.
Okay, okay. Poor little heart. I'm gonna first start with Benefit's roller liner.
Name one person that's made you angry recently.
Oh,
And why?
M1.
I love M1.
My phone just spoiled like 2 days ago and I was trying to back it up and it took me 3 days to back up. It was like so much trouble and then I realized I bought the insurance so I could have swapped my phone. But the thing is I can't swap it without backing it up. So I called the M1 people and they agreed to come over to swap, of course with a fee lah. The website says within 4 hours. And then the delivery man came in half an hour leh. I didn't have enough time to back up.
That M1's fault for being efficient.
So precisely, right? So I was like very stressed out. I said, can you wait for me for what? And he said, no. No, I can't wait. No. And I was like, ah! So I guess that was my frustrated moment, yeah.
Pretty doesn't mean that you can get your way with all men. There's still decent men in the world who say no to Mongabong.
What?
Good on you, uncle.
Yeah. Do that. Do more.
Huh? More?
Yeah. Like properly.
Done?
One eternity later.
When I meet the bloggers group, right, I need like a few days to recharge. I cannot see her for too many days consecutively.
Rubbish, we've traveled together, you're perfectly fine.
No, but if it's just me and you, it's fine. But if it's like with a big group, I cannot. It's too noisy. I mean, not that I don't enjoy it, but it's very noisy. So I need to like chill and have peace.
We are not that
Open.
noisy. Hello?
You dare to say you're not?
No.
Really open? Oh my gosh. Actually, got people say that we look alike. Do people tell you that?
I guess there are blind people around.
They're what?
Blind people.
What's lie people?
Blind.
Blind people. Great. I think I'm done.
Done?
Okay. All right. So I think I'm done. We can.
I'm done and...
Stop it. Okay.
Stop it.
Faster lah.
Faster lah.
Faster. Okay. Faster.
Faster.
I cannot do it. Faster.
This is the makeup look that I have done on myself because I'm now Mongabong.
You haven't transformed yet. You have to do.
Oh, right,
You have to wear the
right.
dress and put on the wig, and we'll see you there. Okay, let me see. What do you guys think? Do we look alike?
What do you guys think? Do we look alike?
Okay, I feel like I need to be out of this so that you guys don't really have a comparison. But if she is by herself, I think certain angles, like especially from the side, when she doesn't smile, we actually do look a little bit alike. Maybe like a 20%.
Ah, oh my god. The brows really make a big difference. I don't think I
think
look like you per se, but I definitely don't look like myself.
she should try out this makeup style more often. Minus the wig lah, because the wig is not that great. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys can subscribe to our channel and also go over to Xiaxue's channel to check out the video that she did where she transformed me into her. Talk to us in the comments box down below and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye!